Hello guys, and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to use drop-down menus and folders in your Squarespace website. Using drop-downs and folders is a great way to keep your navigation clean and organized, especially if you have multiple pages or sections. First, we're going to head over to squarespace.com and sign into our account. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the admin dashboard. From here, the next steps are very straightforward. Head over to your website and click on it to start editing. Now, click on Pages, and you'll see your main navigation. This is where you can add both folders and drop-down menus. On this screen, you'll also notice a section called Not Linked. Items here are real pages, but they won't appear in the main navigation. This is useful for pages like thank you pages, hidden landing pages, or resources you don't want in your menu. Let's start with adding a drop-down. As you can see, we already have one drop-down set up. To add a new one, click on Add, scroll down, and select Drop-down. In Squarespace, folders are now grouped in the drop-downs. In previous versions of Squarespace 7.0, drop-downs and folders were separate, but now they are combined for easier management. When you create a drop-down, think of it as a big folder where you can organize multiple pages. You can name the drop-down according to the category of pages it will hold. For example, we'll create a new drop-down and name it appropriately. Then, we can add pages like Home and Contact into this drop-down, and then we'll find the big. Once added, hover over the new drop-down in your navigation. You'll see the pages inside appear as a menu. This is your drop-down in action, keeping your navigation clean while still allowing visitors to access multiple pages. A few tips for using drop-downs effectively. Organize by category. Group similar pages together to make it easier for visitors to find information. Limit the number of items. Too many items in one drop-down can overwhelm users, so keep it concise. Use descriptive names. The name of your drop-down should clearly describe the content inside. Preview your site. Always hover over your drop-downs and test them in preview mode to make sure everything works properly. And that's it. That is how you can use folders and drop-down navigation menus in Squarespace. Remember, this method helps you create a clean, professional-looking navigation menu for your website. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Squarespace tips and tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.